My daughter took one look at this dish and said, "Daddy, that's just eggs and onions." Then she had 3 helpings. This is one of the simplest stir-fry dishes you can ever make. But once you nail the technique, it's going to surprise you. Here is what you need for this dish. Eggs, onions, red chili cut into rings, garlic, green onions cut into sections. Cut off the top and bottom parts of the onions. Then cut it in half and remove the outer layer. Put the flat side down and cut it into about 3 mm slices. Next, separate the slices till you get a small mountain of onions. It's easier to separate them here rather than trying to stab them and separate them with a spatula in your wok. Next, crack your eggs in a bowl. I'm going to scramble the eggs in the wok rather than in this bowl itself. That's because I want to have streaks of yellow and white in my scrambled eggs. To cook, heat up some oil in a pan over a medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, pour in the eggs. Lightly scramble the eggs such that you get some cooked yellow and white eggs. When the eggs are about 80% done and still a bit runny, remove it and set it aside. In the same pan, add more oil. There is no need to wash the pan here. When the oil is hot, add in the onions. Fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes till they become translucent and slightly softened. If you like your onions to be soft rather than crunchy, fry it for about a minute or 2 more. Next, add in the green onions, garlic, red chilies. Fry this for about 30 seconds to a minute. Return the eggs to the pan. Break up the eggs. Season it with salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, a few dashes of white pepper, and sugar to balance out the flavors. Give everything a good toss for about 30 seconds to ensure that the seasoning is equally distributed. Taste and adjust for seasoning. If it is the way you like it to be, we are done. Garnish with more chopped green onions before serving. And there you have it, eggs and onions stir fry, on the table in under 10 minutes, with ingredients that you most certainly have at home. It's simple, it's satisfying, and even the pickiest eaters at the table will love it. And if you're hungry for more, YouTube is recommending some other videos right here. And I think you'll enjoy them. Go check them out, and I'll see you in my next video.